Today we are starting a new room, which is another tool, security tool, Gobuster, the basics. This room focuses on introduction. I wanted to say introduction in 3 languages. Introduzione, introducere. This room focuses on an introduction to Gobuster, an offensive security tool used for enumeration. Task number 1, introduction. This room focuses on the offensive security tool Gobuster, often used for reconnaissance. We will explore how this tool can enumerate web directories, subdomains. It's basically for web directories, subdomains, and virtual hosts. This room will follow a hands-on approach where you can follow along with the commands explained and execute them yourself to see the results. Learning objectives: understand the basics of enumeration. How to use Gobuster to enumerate web directories, to enumerate subdomains, and to enumerate virtual hosts. How to use a word list. Answer the question below. I'm ready to learn Gobuster.